Are you struggling to schedule revenue over time or track revenue recognition in Salesforce? The GSP Product Schedules app is the straightforward solution you need. That's because the app addresses the challenges with standard Salesforce functionality in this area, including a not so friendly user interface, complexity, and reporting difficulties. In contrast, the Product Schedules app is easy to use and provides powerful insights and forecasting capabilities that executives need to manage and track revenue over time accurately. It supports both revenue and quantity scheduling, so let me give you a quick demo of how the GSP Product Schedules app works. It's straightforward for salespeople to enter the schedule details when adding products to an opportunity. The app also supports a variety of schedule profiles, including straight line, S curve, and pro rata. Let's add these products to the opportunity, and the schedules generate immediately. To view all of your schedules, click the Manage Schedules button at the top of the opportunity page. Schedules can be fine-tuned. For example, in this case, let's say there's a ramp up in professional services. You can easily factor in this adjustment and then allocate the balance to the remaining schedules using the Auto Calculate button. And guess what? When the opportunity close date slips, the scheduled dates automatically adjust by the same number of days, which means your scheduled revenue and revenue recognition forecasts always align with the latest opportunity information. Optionally, you can compare the scheduled revenue you forecasted when winning the deal with the actual revenue that accrues over time on a project. And you can track scheduled revenue versus target for salespeople, teams, and the company. So when you're struggling to schedule revenue over time or track revenue recognition in Salesforce, the GSP Product Schedules app allows you to easily manage schedules across multiple products, adjust schedules manually and automatically, and produce accurate forecasts of won and pipeline revenue over time. Why not visit the AppExchange and take a 14-day free trial to try the app for yourself? So now you know how the GSP Product Schedules app lets you track revenue over time and forecast much more accurately. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.